Welcome back to Closing Bell on a Thursday. I'm going to be off tomorrow and also the following week next week to spend time with my kids for this Easter break. But I just want to keep it short, no edit on this video, and send a message because after this video, I'm just going to load it up. I'm going to be back to my work. I've got so much work that I need to accomplish today before I go on my holiday, and what makes it worse is I just had a full 10-hour meeting today. I think it's 10 hours, 9 hours. Oh my goodness. Yes, I'm still on my 9 to 5 job. The last video, that one is an April Fool's joke. Thank you for all the well wishes. I hope I'll get there one day. But in today's video segment, I want to keep it short and sweet. That VIX is under 17 now. It's about 16.88, 6.99. It's a great place to be in cruise control mode. If you followed me, I use the VIX. I don't check individual stocks individually. I just look at the VIX volatility index. It tells me we are in cruise control. So at this point, number one, you shouldn't be buying any stocks. No stocks buying, people. Hang in there. Let your winners run. And number two, if you got swing stocks, the high risk that it's just gone green or profit, and you thought, remember last month you worried, you're pooping in your pants because the stocks went so low. I'm sure they're all in the green now. If you want, take some profit. Increase your cash holdings. For me, I've taken profits. I've taken swing profits. I still have Square, Etsy, ArcW, and Palantir, which I'm swinging, but I'm letting them ripe a bit before I take profit. For now, if you remember, if you were here, my last video about 2 weeks ago, I was my cash holdings was down to as low as 5% because we've been buying AMD and Tesla. I was going crazy. I'm glad it's all up just now. So I've been buying them on the dip. And now my cash holding is 5%. I've moved it up with all my swing trade. Now it's up 15% of my own personal portfolio. With the ISA year in the UK coming in, hopefully by the end of May, I should push it up to 30%. Because I don't expect any buys if the market goes on this VIX trend. I don't expect, hopefully I'll push up to 25 to 30% cash holdings. I'll just wait for the next opportunity before I buy again. So this is where I am. I just want to share my views and see if it affects, your strategy, because it's not time to buy. Remember, risk reward. When you buy in the dip, the reward is this side. But if you buy momentum up, your reward is only this much. It doesn't guarantee that it's going to go all the way up. Remember, we still got this reflation trade, increased interest rate, and all the information that institution investors are very wary of buying in. Okay, so we have to wait. Okay, so that's me for one. And the second thing is rotation stock. So rotation stock, I'm also stopping there as well. The rotation stock seems to be going up really nice. S&P 500 going up really nice. I'm not selling that stock. I'm not selling my BA, my Disney, my JP Morgan, my Home Depot. So all the ones I've been buying my eToro, you can go to my eToro and have a look. I'm really transparent about it. Those I'm going to let them run hopefully at least 3-4 months. So when I run and when they're ripe, when I make good profit, I'm not in for the dividends, by the way, not dividends. When they're ripe, boom, take profit slowly, and then shuffle back to my top 3 stocks, my AMD, Tesla, Fiverr, Upwork. Then, my strategy is so simple. So for those who have followed my strategy, congratulations, because you just want to keep it simple. You don't want to put all the eggs in one basket, but yet you still want to own great quality stock in high concentration, because that's the only way you really can retire early if those go break up multiple. Okay, so what else? So new ISA year for you UK investors. I've been getting lots of messages saying, Alex, which platform will you go on to? I did say trading 212, but you know what? I've not selected yet. My strategy is changing, and I'm doing a video about it. I've got a script, but I've not got the time to video it out. So I've got a script. So over the weekend or next week, I would share with you my views on why I've not decided on which ISA, because my strategy has changed completely. And secondly, I think ISA is not a place to swing trade. ISA is a place where if you believe my technique and you've been using it, it should be a place where you store and park your portfolio, where you go top 3, top 5 stocks. Let's say you choose Square or PayPal or Walmart, your top 3. So those are the stocks where you just buy and leave them there. You're not supposed to swing and trade, okay? You're not supposed to swing. Just buy a hold, accumulate the balloon. And when the balloon goes break up, boom, there you go. Your wealth will multiply. But for that, ISA is not. But the one that I use for my swing trade, and I think use it for 7 months, and I like it. I'm sorry to sound like I'm trying to sell you an affiliate link, but I used it day in, day out as my eToro account. Okay, I should use it like 4 years ago. I discovered it via a viewer recommendation, and thank you very much. You were one of the reasons I'm a champion investor today. So after 7 months, I noticed that eToro is a great place for swing trade. Why? Because when you buy eToro, let's say you buy $100 worth of Square, and next week you buy another $100 worth of Square, and next week you buy another 100, so you buy on the dip down. So if you check the portfolio here, I use it on my Tesla, you can see different segments here, different buys. So if I want to swing and take profit, I can just go, okay, 20%, boom, take profit. 5%, take profit. So it's great. Swing trade, you can pick and choose where you want. The ones that's on the red, don't touch it yet. Take the one on the green profit. So it depends on where you want to rotate your stocks. That's really useful. eToro, great for swing trade. But if you're on your ISA, on your trading 212, Hargreaves Langston, interactive investor, all those you're supposed to just buy and hold. You're not supposed to trade them, because remember, your ISA is only limited 20,000, yeah. And you know, you're trying to swing trade 20,000, make you rich. It's not going to go anywhere. If you really want to swing trade, make rich, you need to have a huge volume, huge cash in the background where you can actually leverage and push yourself to 10, 20 grand profit. That's where I'm talking about. So this is me. I want to keep it short and sweet today, unedited, raw, because I have to get back to my work so I can spend the remainder of the week and next week with my kids. Just go out for walks and hopefully see my tulip grow. I don't know if you follow me. I've posted on Instagram. I'm so worried about my tulip because it's been snowing out there. So I'm gonna go back to work, and all the best, guys. Hope to see you on Discord over the weekend. We can chat, and hope to see more great videos that I really want to share with you. And if you,
I hope you enjoyed that video. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Please press the bell button. Ding dong. Finally, watch the recent video up here.